Last class, there were some questions about this problem, about how to factor it and then solve it. So I'm going to quickly go through it, and here's the problem. So go ahead and write it down, please. Pause the video. And we've got to find all values between 0 and 360. If we factor it, this is the easiest way for me, and using u substitution. So we're going to put u in for sine x. And here's what we get. And now this probably looks very familiar to you. You know how to factor this. So go ahead and factor it. Here we go. And the next step, you're going to move the 1, you know what to do. I don't have to go through that process. So u is equal to 1/2 and negative 1. Substitute sine x back in. And here's what we get. So sine x is equal to 1/2. Sine x is equal to negative 1. If we think about it now, we're thinking about the 1/2 portion first. So we're going to have to solve this twice. What we're saying is the sine of what gives you 1/2. Hopefully you remember it's 30. And then it's still in the positive area if you go to 150. So just to go back to this, we're trying to go from 0 to 360. Right? So we got the two values for the sine of x equal to 1/2. One more value, negative 1. The sine of what is negative 1? The sine of 270. Think about the unit circle on the vertical axis, on the y-axis. It's 270, it's negative 1. The sine of 270 is negative 1. Honestly, you could just use your calculator also, but I like doing it this way, and I hope you can learn how to do it this way too, because that's going to help you on the exam. Anyway, here are the three values.